In this video we want to show you 2 new cola drinks we found in Vietnam. We are going to show both in detail and compare them with each other. The first new drink is Coca-Cola coffee. This Coke has 30% increase in caffeine in comparison to a normal Coke. This is getting achieved by mixing coffee with Coke. Here are the ingredients and contents of the can. This Coca-Cola can is exclusively for sale in Vietnam. It is a great alternative to energy drinks. Let us open the can. It looks pretty identical like a normal Coke. The difference is that there is foam staying on top of the drink. The foam is normally disappearing very quickly with ordinary Cokes. The drink has a slightly taste of coffee. The coffee scent is decent. Let us compare it now with the new Pepsi. This Pepsi comes with salted caramel taste. Here a quick overview of the ingredients. Okay, let us open the bottle. The bubbles are disappearing quickly like with the usual Pepsi. The color and texture of this Pepsi looks the same to a normal Pepsi too. The only difference is the decent caramel smell. The Pepsi has a slight caramel taste, and tastes a bit salty. Our favorite is the new Coca-Cola with coffee. It not only gives you a new taste, it also has the additional power of an extra shot coffee. It's great if you need to stay focused and awake. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.